Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to ask few questions from you. Can you tell me what can be the reason of these cracks which is visible on the soil? Or how are such patterns formed on the screen which is there on the soil? Or why we are facing the problem of water pollution or soil pollution and forced to use such dirty water. Today, we are going to discuss this problem of soil erosion and we are going to learn about how can we overcome this problem. So before knowing that, let us discuss what is soil. The outermost layer of the earth can be defined as soil in simple words. Natural product formed from weathered rocks by the action of climate and living factors. Next is soil erosion. How can we define this term? Soil erosion is the displacement of upper layer of the soil. It is one form of soil degradation which can be caused by water, ice, air, plant, animals and human beings. This is all about our soil erosion. First of all, let us define the term erosion and what are the various types of erosion. Our first type is visible clearly as landslide. Next type is because of movement of winds. Clearly we can see when the wind comes in very high speed, then the top layer of the earth moves away with it. Next can be whenever we have a flow of water on the ground surface. Next is whenever we have shores, the water cuts down the surface. And the last type can be seen as movement of the rocks above the glaciers. So now here, as we know what is soil erosion, let us discuss what are the causes of soil erosion, as there are so many of them. The first one can be seen as deforestation. The term deforestation means cutting down of trees on large scale for this purpose. The purpose can be anything, maybe for living purpose or for industrialization or many more. The roots of the trees holds the soil together, thus preventing the soil from getting uprooted. And once we cut down the trees, the soil becomes more easy to get washed away. So deforestation is one of the main cause of soil erosion. Our next one can be seen as overgrazing. Overgrazing means whenever we leave our cattle for grazing purpose. If they are left out for grazing, what happens is they even sometimes eat the roots, which leaves the soil and that causes our erosion. When they are allowed to graze on the same field repeatedly, all the available grasses, including the roots, are eaten by them. This makes the topsoil vulnerable to wind and flowing water, leading to soil erosion. The next one can be very basic, that is water. When it rains in hilly areas, the soil gets washed away towards the plain. This can lead to floods, which causes destruction of life and property to a large extent. The last one can be taken as movement of high-speed air, that is known as our wind. When the strong wind blows, the topsoil along with the organic matter is carried away by the wind. This generally happens when the land is not covered with grass or plants. Can you guess where it can be mostly seen? Yes, it can be seen in the desert areas. Now, as we know what are the causes of soil erosion, let us see what can be the harmful effects of soil erosion. The first harmful effect can be pollution and poor quality of water. Yes, it can cause to our, first of all, soil pollution and then leading to our water pollution as well. and then we are forced to use dirty water, and then using that dirty water, we need a large quantity of money as well as skill to make them pure and usable. The next bad effect is deforestation and flooding. Flooding causes a large loss of life and property and also a large sum amount of money. The last cause can be soil degradation. The soil does not become that rich which can help or tightly hold the roots of the trees and thereby leading to degradation. So here we are with some ideas to overcome soil erosion. What can be the ideas? Can you guess? First idea is construction of dams. They are built to prevent flood, which do not only damages the crop but also washes away the topsoil. When we allow small amount of water from the dams, this will avoid the washing away of the topsoil, and also it will avoid flood, which will not damage our life as well as which will not cause loss to our money. Next one can be taken as crop rotation practice. That is, between harvesting one crop and planting the next crop, the farmers can either grow grass or grow other crops to prevent the soil erosion. This also helps the soil to regain the lost minerals. And the problem of the farmers committing suicides can also be avoided by this. The next step can be taken as terrace farming in the hilly areas. In the hilly areas, farming is done by cutting steps on the slopes of the hill. This slows down the flow of water, and soil removed from one step is deposited on the other step. Thus, the soil is never completely lost, and this is only called as terrace farming. The last can be afforestation. This can be done in our level also. You all being kids, if you plant one tree in 1 year, then that means just imagine how many trees can be planted by you. Planting trees is only known as afforestation, and this can reduce a large amount of soil erosion as well as it will give a good impact to overcome different types of pollution. Do you know there is a Van Mahotsav Day which is celebrated every year on the month of July. This one was started to create awareness in the mind of people for conservation of forest and planting of new trees. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. So let's have a quiz time. Can you guess what can be the answers of these questions? Let me help you. The question is, terracing is an effective method of soil conservation. What can be the answer to this? Is it used in desert areas, or in hilly areas, or plains, or in the riverine areas? Yes, absolutely correct. It will be there in hilly areas. Next question for you is, 5th of June is celebrated as World Environment Day, Darwin's Birthday, World Health and Hygienic Day, or World's Population Day. Can you guess this one? Bit hard. Let's see. The answer is World Environment Day. Next question. And the last one. Rotation of crop is essential for first, increasing fertility of soil, second, increasing quality of proteins, third, getting different kinds of crop, and fourth is increasing quality of minerals. Can you guess the answer of this one? Absolutely correct. It is increasing fertility of soil. Thank you for watching, all of you. This video was specifically for class 5th Social Studies, chapter number 6, Soil Erosion. Hope you liked the video. Keep watching and keep waiting for the next one. Thank you.